Why? But the people are here. They can't be having a banner tied up there and then standing here. No, if you hurry up, if you get your PR or
Latifah, he's here.
Okay, come. No.
Not for you.
No. Your officer is here. We're going there and we'll solve it.
It's already there.
Okay, then let's go and give.
Yeah, but don't touch our banners.
Okay.
Hold on.
Let's go and give.
Okay.
I am sibuk.
Okay, where we go?
Move forward.
This is the memo.
Apart from that, dangerous drug situation act, especially after he was charged. Dangerous drug activities are so these are the two main issues which are the subject matter of our conversation. This is to ensure that no rakyat should be subjected to the same treatment that I and my client's family have to go through. We also ensure that anybody has to be arrested, it has to go through the due process of the law, and we do not want the usage of any preventive laws. And what assurance can we have that the IGP will seriously look into our complaints and especially the recommendations that we have made?
Untuk makluman semua, apa yang baru berlaku tadi ialah sekumpulan peguam dengan orang awam yang tersangat marah dan prihatin tentang apa yang sedang berlaku, apa yang telah berlaku ialah kawan kami dan rakan bijaksana kami Amer Hamzah dalam mengendalikan tanggungjawab beliau untuk membela klien beliau telah diperlakukan oleh pihak polis apabila beliau cuba menjalani tugas. Beliau dihalang untuk mendapatkan akses kepada klien beliau. Dan ini tidak boleh diterima oleh mana-mana peguam, dan secara solidariti setiap ahli peguam ataupun sebahagian besar peguam daripada Malaysian Bar telah turun di sini bersama untuk menunjukkan ketidakpuashatian kami tentang apa yang berlaku. Ini bukan kali pertama. Tahun lepas lebih kurang 5 peguam muda telah ditangkap, dimasukkan dalam penjara ketika melaksanakan tugas mereka. Dan ini kali kedua yang telah dilaporkan. Banyak lagi kes yang sedang berlaku yang tidak dilaporkan. Kalau ini boleh berlaku kepada seorang peguam yang senior seperti Amer Hamzah, bagaimana pula dengan peguam-peguam lain yang mungkin tidak ada kamera di depan mereka? Kita tidak tahu. Jadi this is for the sake of the people's right to legal access. It's Article 5 enshrined in the Federal Constitution, giving us a right to have a right to counsel. So, because of that, we are presenting this memorandum of protest to the IGP, and we hope to get an answer and action as well.
Masa pembayaran ikat jamin dibuat, ini juga satu pencabulan hak asasi seorang yang telah menjalani proses mahkamah. Jadi sekiranya perlu sebarang penahanan semula ataupun rearrest boleh dibuat secara lebih diplomatik lah, kan? Boleh hubung keluarga, mengatakan suruh hubung peguam, kata sila datang ke balai dan sebagainya untuk memberi penerangan dan sebagainya. Jadi kita perlu lihat dua aspek lah. Satu, isu peguam yang ditahan menjalankan tugas. Keduanya, seorang warga negara dan keadilan sistem jenayah kami lah. Ya. Sekiranya mahkamah telah memberikan ikat jamin, polis harus hormatlah dan terima keputusan tersebut lah. Bukan sewenang-wenangnya menahan semula dan rearrest seorang itu. Thank you.
The group here, we would like to also record our disappointment that the IGP did not bother to come down to receive the memo himself. He's clearly aware the notice had been given that we are going to hand over a memo. And the thing is, this is an issue which we as public should be concerned about. This is not a problem of the lawyers per se. It is about lawyers being denied to their clients, which means if anything happens to you next time, even after you post bail, they can rearrest you in the very court. So, you know, the whole abuse of how the police is conducting their manners completely in disregard of whatever order that has been given by the court. So, what happened in Benjy's case with Amer Hamzah is a manifestation of what's happening in the court on a daily basis.
I stand here today not just for my brother, but for everybody who was detained before him and who might be detained after, in hopes that our government will look into this preventive law and realize that it is against our constitutional rights. And I was heartbroken, to say the least, for lack of better vocabulary, that my brother, while he was posting bail, the police were waiting outside to rob him of his freedom, and not bother to explain to my family as to what grounds it was that he was being rearrested. We were merely told to go and see, just to go to the headquarters, and I think that's very unprofessional on the police enforcers' behalf, as they have vowed to serve us and to be transparent in their services, and I feel that that was not what had taken place on the 25th.
I think it is very, very serious, and I think no one should make any mistake about what has happened here, where lawyers are stopped from carrying out their lawful duties for their clients. When that happens, it will lead to a breakdown of the rule of law. And I think Malaysia being signatories, or we have actually supported the United Nations Declaration on the role of lawyers, and it is very clearly set out there that the lawyers carrying out their lawful duties cannot be interfered with. So people should make no mistake, every single time this happens, we will make a fuss. We will make a fuss, because it is critical to the success of the whole administration of justice that lawyers should be left alone to do their work. I hope something will be done, and I hope they're serious about it. Absolutely serious, taking to task the policemen who are responsible for these acts. So we do expect the authorities to do something, and not just to take the memo and fob us off. I really hope that doesn't happen. To do something, and to act seriously. This is not the first time this has happened. This is not the first time. It has happened a few times, and we don't see an improvement. So I think the message has to go out loud and clear that lawyers cannot be interfered with.